Hey guys, we got a package from Squishy Station HK today, and they're all minis. So as you can see, we have some IBloom loose breads and these mini pop-pop sheets. It's super exciting because they don't have any pop-pop sheets. So the first item is our extra, and it is also mini. It is a Boo Boo the Cloud baby. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. It's just a little tiny baby bun. Tag's super cute. Next, we have 4 of these Pat Pat Zoos Pat Pat sheets. And they're the mini ones, so we have this in white. We have it in pink. Oh, and I forgot to show you the tag. It's a really cute little acrylic tag there. This one's a little bit faster. Here's a pop-up sheep in blue. And lastly, we have the one in Galaxy. These are super cute. And our next squishies are these mini moose breads. Unfortunately, when I ordered these, I did not know they were mini. I thought they were the regular size, so I have the regular ones coming in the mail, so we'll compare later. It's really, really slow and soft. So yeah, we'll compare later once we get the regular ones. So it totally smells like chocolate. And I've heard from other collectors that this one is super, super sticky. So it is just like a cloud, even compared to regular IBlooms. And it definitely just smells like chocolate pudding. Got a super sticky consistency. I'm actually just gonna put it back in the packaging just because it is so sticky that I feel like it might stick to the packaging. And we also got a strawberry one. So these ones are about, I think, 2/3 of the cost of the regular size ones. So I guess once we get them both, we can compare and see which one is better. Here's a strawberry one. Again, it just feels so soft. It almost feels like you're squishing like a bread in a sandwich bag or something. I'll peel it back just so you can see. And this one has a nice strawberry scent. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. I think there was different colors for these ones, the little ones. The large ones come in, I think, coconut, strawberry, and chocolate. So for the little ones, I got the strawberry and chocolate, but the bigger ones, I think I ordered strawberry and coconut. So yeah, it has a very unique texture. I think aesthetically though, it's pretty plain. And I just noticed this business card. This is new. I'm totally getting like Neapolitan vibes right now. It smells so good with the chocolate and strawberry. Once again, here is everything in our package. Thanks for watching.